do number 2, multi-view number 2. So let's just go ahead and save this so we don't accidentally forget. Let's change this to be multi-view 2. Then when we look at the title block, there's the name. Everything's set up nice and neat for us. All right, so we're going to do the same thing. Draw a rectangle to cover everything. And this whole width is 5.5. The depth is about 2. So that's 6 plus 2 is 8 plus another 3. Let's do 12 again. And then, yeah. So that's our width. The height is going to be a total of about 3 plus our depth, about 2, that's 5, plus another 3, that's 8. Same as last time. Explode. And then offset. We will do the width is 5.5. The depth of 1.75. Do that both on the top and the left. And then our height is 2.75. Okay. Good. Now let's worry about the details. So from here over here is 3.375. Should be on both top and the front view. Then on the side, or on the depth, we should include a 0.8125. It says 0.813, but that's because it's rounded to 3 decimal places. But if you put 0.813, that's fine. We'll do it from there and from here. And I think that is it. Oh, nope, we got one more. We got, let's see, 2.5 from here over. To make that. And we also need 0.625 from here down and here up. Okay, that should be it. Now let's do a trim. Trim all that middle junk. Get rid of that. Then on this view, we don't want any of that there, or that one and that one. And we also don't want that there. That's good. The side view, get rid of those two. And that's it. And on the top view, we want to get rid of all of this stuff. And these two. Now there are some hidden lines that we can't see, so we need to draw those in. So let's change it to hidden. And we cannot see this line up here. So I like to start here, just let it sit there for a minute, and then drag up here, and it goes all the way through, if you can see. That goes all the way through, and same with from here to here, because there's a hole all the way. This right here is all the way through. And then, so I'm looking on the top here. Can't see that. Can't see that, and that's it. Okay, on this side view, these lines go all the way through, so we can draw hidden lines here. And I think that's it. Right, then I can include my dimensions. So I need 1, 2, 3 for my width. I'm going to include this part because this is detail. And then I might just I need to include this here. And it's going to be kind of hard to do that without going through the object. So rather than, I might change this a little bit. Let's delete this one. So you don't want a dimension to hidden line unless there's no way around it. And I'd rather go to the hidden line than go through the object. So I'll dimension from here to here, and I'll make that 0.5. And then I'll go from here to here, and I want to go probably 1, just to make sure it's enough space outside there. And then I can do the whole thing here. Okay, there's my 1, 2, 3 that I need for my width. Now my height, I need 1, 2, 3 as well. And this one I might do the whole length here, the whole width here. I can do here to here. Here. It's supposed to be 0.625. Must have drew those wrong. So let's try this again. Offset. Yeah, 0.625. I accidentally added another digit. Zoom in. You can see it's not quite perfect. So yeah, you just got to be careful there to not do what I did. So I'm going to delete this one. Now if you zoom in right here, it probably doesn't go to the edge. So if you click this arrow next to the trim, we can extend that. And let's do the same on this side. So let's offset 0.625. Go up here. Then let's trim. Extend this one. And then of course we want to trim these ones here and those ones. All right. And of course I'm going to trim these. We can get rid of these. And let's offset 0.625. Down. We'll probably have to get rid of this line too. Let's trim. Of course, we're going to have to draw a hidden line. So this is a lot of mistake I did, so because I wasn't paying attention. So that's a good thing that we need to watch for. Now I can do my dimensions, so I'll go back to my dimension line. Go from here to here. And these are decimals. I could change it to 3 decimals, and that's what I do need to change it as. But I need to move this one to be like right there. And just to be consistent here, put that one right there. I got 1, 2, 3 there. Now I need my depth. And I'm going to do one right here to show the detail. And again, to show the entire depth here. And of course, I should probably put this in the same format as we did on this one. Right. Then let's change the dimensions to 3 decimal places. Let's do set current. There we go. That looks better. And then let's use that tool. Everything's good. So now we can bring it to here. Go to paper. And again, I'm going to change that to be, looks like I need to put that in my, let's just do a custom one here. And let's call that 75%. Divide by 1. Okay. Change this to be 75%. And then I can even bring it down a little bit. Okay, that's good. Change it back to model space. Everything's good. Let's plot it. Okay. Save it. Keeps going title block. I don't want that there. Save it, and we're good. There it is. Took a minute. There it is. Nice and beautiful. And that's it.